Saya draw sih sebenarnya. Wih, by the way, live-ku bakal ke delay ya. Soalnya aku nontonnya dari YouTube bukan dari TV. Jadi reactionku bakal ke delay. Kalau kalian nonton dari TV bakal beda, lebih cepat beberapa detik. Kalau dari YouTube dia agak telat. Ini masih gila, GBK full house guys, penuh GBK. Oke, pemain udah mau masuk ke lapangan pemain. Yuk, bisa yuk. Masa udah makan belum? Udah dong. Bisa sih ini. Ini rank 2 itu masih terbuka sih guys sebenarnya. Kalau kita misalnya menang lawan Australia misalnya atau draw, terus yang tim-tim lain dibantai, kita bisa kayak peringkat 2. Kalau peringkat 1 kan ya udah nggak mungkin ya. Peringkat 1 kan karena udah pasti Jepang lah. Tapi kalau peringkat 2, 3, 4 ini masih sebenarnya masih bisa ya, masih open banget.
As they look to make up for that stuttering start. 25 degrees centigrade, plenty of humidity around as well. It's going to be a warm night, and it is a packed stadium, a sea of red, as the Jakarta locals look to get behind their national team. Indonesia started in the very first round of qualifying, and they come into this stage, it's fair to say, as outsiders. Their 1-1 draw, though, in Saudi Arabia showed plenty of battling qualities, particularly in that second half. They withstood long spells of Saudi pressure to cling on for a precious point, and that certainly suggested that there'll be no pushover for any of the big names that occupy this group. Australia's caused not out by Japan's 7-0 hammering of China. Just to remind you, in this stage it is the top 2 from the 3 groups that automatically qualify for the 2026 World Cups. The teams that finish 3rd and 4th go into a further group round to play off for more qualification spots.
Ini sih Tom Haye nggak main ya. Tom Haye itu penting banget loh padahal.
A bit of pressure now after that defeat to Bahrain, an agonising loss. Harry Souttar's own goal in the 89th minute, snatching all 3 points for Bahrain. And
Ini pemain udah di
having dropped the ball at home.
Udah mau masuk lapangan.
Let's not forget this is a repeat of January's Asian Cup last 16.
Marcelino starter ganti Witan. By the way, sorry ya guys kalau nggak bisa baca-bacain komen. Hari ini kita fokus dukung timnas. Sintayong.
Indonesian coach Shin Tae-yong of South Korea, who was capped 24 times for his country. A coach who led Indonesia to their best ever Asian Cup finish, reaching the last 16, as I was just talking about, in Qatar at the turn of the year. Australia looking to qualify for their 6th successive World Cup, their 7th in total. Indonesia's only previous World Cup appearance was way back in 1938 as the Dutch East Indies, where they played one game in a straight knockout
Tom Haye di bangku cadangan. Bisa jadi Tom Haye ini mas di babak kedua nanti disimpan tenaganya. Soalnya kan kemarin dari Arab Tom Haye kecapean banget.
76 in the FIFA rankings, currently at 133. Australia though, the top 25 these days, 24th in all. Teams have come through previous rounds. Indonesia had to beat Brunei, which they did comfortably, 12-0 on aggregate in the first round, then runners-up in their second round group behind Iraq, but 4 clear of Vietnam, so comfortably made it through. Australia pretty comfortable as well. They were given a bye from the first round because of their ranking. Top their Group I group 10 points ahead of Palestine. They won all 6 games, so 22 goals and not conceding against Palestine, Lebanon and Bangladesh. This is where it gets serious though. This trip to Indonesia, as difficult as it might prove to be, will be one that Graham Arnold will have earmarked to pick up all 3 points. The talk ahead of the game was how Australia need to improve, having failed to score their opener against Bahrain, and expect to face a low block here, a low block that works so well for Indonesia. And Mohamed Mangoen's goal on 19 minutes, putting them ahead in Jeddah. They conceded in first half stoppage time. The second half was a siege. Indonesia proved that they were up for it, and it really was a fantastic point. Australia and Saudi Arabia dropping points in the opening round. Nations looking to take advantage of the fact that Japan and Bahrain are facing each other today. Just over 77,000 the capacity here at the Gelora Bung Karno Stadium. Barely a seat to be found. Genuine excitement after that point in Jeddah against Saudi Arabia. The visit of the Socceroos. Jay Intesi, captain there for Indonesia.
Udah masuk ke lapangan nih pemain-pemainnya nih.
Australia in their traditional gold and green. A minute afterwards, and they made life difficult for themselves, losing to Bahrain.
Justin main guys. Gacor sih guys.
Every team plays 10 games, 9 still to go. Those 2 automatic slots. The 2026 World Cup finals in Canada, the USA and Mexico. Sides making their way out. There is a smattering of Australian support.
Lagu kebangsaannya ini Australia. Ini loh Australia loh yang jago paling siapa kipernya. Kipernya kan dari mana? Dari AS Roma kalau nggak salah, Matthew Ryan ini. Indonesia Raya guys. Yuk bisa yuk, ayo strike. Ya tapi pemain-pemain diaspora ya udah hafal bahasa Indonesia semua loh guys. Kecuali yang baru gabung ya kayak Calvin Verdong gitu-gitu. Martin pas saya udah tadi bisa dikit-dikit loh kelasnya.
Can Indonesia build on that point in Jeddah by upsetting the Socceroos, still smarting themselves from Thursday. Home form has been decent here. They've won 3 of their 4 qualifiers at home, keeping clean sheets in 3 of them. Indonesia make a couple of changes to the starting 11 against Saudi Arabia. The goalkeeper and back 4 remain the same. Wolves midfielder Justin Hubner replaces Tom Hay in the centre of midfield. The other tweak sees Marcelino Ferdinand come in for Witan Suleiman. Ragnar Oramangoen keeps his place on the wing after his goal in Jeddah on Thursday. It was just his second in the international jersey of Indonesia. Just the one loss here in qualifying so far, 2-0 by Iraq, 2-0 against the Philippines in their last home game. It is an improvement. They have lost 7 successive home World Cup qualifiers until the current campaign, Indonesia. Refereeing team hails from Qatar. Salman Ahmad Falahi is the man in the middle. Conversation there with Matt Ryan, the Australian goalkeeper and captain. Joined by Jay Itzes, who holds the armband for Indonesia. For on-pitch officials from Qatar, as is the VAR team. Cassini Yengi suspended, Graham Arnold is always going to have to make some changes for Australia, but the act has certainly been swung as the Socceroos make 5 changes in all from the team that started the defeat to Bahrain. Cameron Burgess is brought into the defence and Keanu Bacchus into the centre of midfield. Having drawn a blank though last time out, Craig Goodwin keeps his place in the forward line. He's the only one that does though, with Silvera, Duke and Iran Kunda all brought in. Pre-match routines for both sets of players, both in huddles. The message is loud and clear from the Indonesia supporters. Places available, of course, with a 48-team World Cup in the North Americas. Such a competitive section. Still very, very difficult to make it through for Indonesia. Made a good start, though. Nothing like the confidence boost of that draw in Saudi Arabia. The next big test for a double away trip in October to face Bahrain and China for Indonesia. Just about ready for kick-off.
Kick-off udah dimulai. Punya aku agak telat ya by the way ya. Kalau kalian nonton di TV lebih cepat. Bisa yuk. Cuawan langsung. Sandy. Mak. Bisa. Shoot. Wih. Wih. Kelas.
The brightest of starts from the home team. Socceroos sleeping from kick-off. I think Matt Ryan will probably feel he could have done better. He parried the ball straight out to Rafael Strike. It wasn't favourable though for the Indonesian forward, and it's a corner. Asking for the ball. Plenty of bodies into the Australian penalty area early on for the home team.
Corner. Balik ke Walsh. Cross. Aduh. Walsh naik bolanya. Rumputnya jelek guys yang GBK-nya. Jadi crossingnya nggak masuk jadinya. Jenner, Marcel, Ragnar, balik ke Marcel. Kelas.
The crowd weren't up for this before kick-off. They certainly are now. Talk of a low block from Indonesia, but they've started very much on the front foot here.
Hubner, bisa Hubner.
Inces is in there. Murdoch and Rido forward. The back five. Delivery this time. In a way, but as far as Rido. To swing across it again. Australia just can't get out at the moment.
Corner lagi. Udah corner ke berapa ini? Ketiga ya?
It's been in charge since 2018.
Bisa ya.
Australia to the 2022 World Cup and to 2 Asian Cups, 2019 and earlier this year.
Alvin, Verdong.
For international himself, Graham Arnold won 56 caps for Australia. Hubner being closely watched by Irvin. Verdonk. The outswinging corner.
Aduh, sayang.
Through to Rido in the end.
Hati-hati.
Australia finally have a bit of possession. Finally
Santai, balikin.
3 minutes into the contest.
Jauh, mantap.
To pace. Sending it forwards. Tara Burgess in each other's way for a second there. Forward by Burgess.
Kejauhan. J tutup. Mantap J. Bang J.
For the away side to play in. Needs to see a big improvement from his team, Graham Arnold. So what they saw the opening game, Gold Coast. Keen not to
Hati-hati tengah.
Australia settle into their stride early. That's cleared away by Itzes. Edge now with the throw for Australia.
Kontrol.
There, though, the Indonesian captain.
Sit.
Actually forward, looking for the run of Morat Goen. Feels he was fouled, and so does most of the stadium here. Chokati. Couldn't have brought in on the left side, Silvera on the right. Duke, a new addition to the forward line. Played on the left against Bahrain, expected to play more centrally this evening. By Irvin, flattered into by Jenner. Rideau with the foot in.
Marcel.
With the header down.
Aduh, Marcel.
Frantic pace of the game in the opening moments. By Burgess. Flag up on the far side. Indonesia keeping their shape well and catching Australia offside.
Panas guys HP gue, paling bentar lagi aku stop live. HP gue panas beneran ini. Nanti ya kita live yang sebenarnya nanti ya.
Indonesian goalkeeper.
Aduh.
It's America these days for FC Dallas in MLS.
Counter.
Indonesia win the ball and looking
Counter.
to counter with
Ragnar.
Goen.
Walsh.
With his arms out down there as if to say, how's Walsh got so much space? But he has. Australia getting back in numbers now, though. Here's Rideau. Touchdown to Joan on. Joan again. Strike. Space to deliver now, Strike. Walsh has made his way into the
Shoot.
penalty area. Joan twisting and turning. Shepherded out for a goal kick in the end. Good pressure again, though, from Indonesia. Chikati just doing enough in the end. Shepherded out for a goal kick. Choa. Is it Swansea City? Just 22. In Rotterdam.
Wah, Verdong kelas. Sabar, balik dulu.
It says. It's Rido. Confidence about Indonesia in possession here. Now they have a free kick. Which was late. Card here for Craig Goodwin, or just a talking to. No, the card is out.
Kartu kuning kartu. Kita live bentar ya guys, bentar lagi kita beres. Karena kenapa? Karena HP-nya panas. Aduh,
Certainly
sakit.
Nail Walsh, and when you see the replay, he starts down the ankle. Very absolutely spot on with the yellow card. Walking the tightrope now. Kusini Yankee sent off the Portsmouth forward. Lost to Bahrain, suspended for this one. Rido.
Terus. Yuk,
Shagen.
mantap.
Time to turn
Aduh, bisa.
Pick a pass. Here's Ferdinand.
Aduh, jauh banget Marcelino.
Going.
Aduh. Out.
Claiming that was out of play. Free agrees.
Sayang. Sejauh ini possession kita lebih banyak sih ini
It's Rido.
daripada Australia.
4 of their last 10 games at home, 5 defeats. Indonesia. Back around Libya twice and Argentina who won here 2-0. Victors in that run of 10 games.
Gila, Australia dikandangin sama Indo guys.
Friendlies and qualification matches. Back to Martin
Duh,
Paes.
67% possession kita.
And that's 67% of the ball, Indonesia. In the opening 11 minutes.
Australia 33% doang.
Burgess. Rankunda. Flick off to Irvin.
Hati-hati. Kosong tengah.
His way into the
Oke,
penalty area.
aman. Mantap, Calvin
Without
Verdong.
through though for Silvera.
Kenapa paus? Oh, tadi ada ngasih paus, sorry, enggak notice, thank you.
Just gonna ride out the early storm. Australia from
Semoga
their point of view,
HP-nya masih bisa
slowly
bertahan
back into the
sampai
contest.
babak
Start
pertama
from the home
selesai.
team. Ryan forced into a double save in the opening minute of the contest.
Di NUS rame nggak?
He's picked
Rame
up a
dong.
yellow card with the corner. He suits it
corner.
forward. It's a real threat given his height. Set piece.
Dijaga.
Centre back.
Hati,
Did again.
goal kick, mantap.
He's got something on it. His touch was off a defender. Referee doesn't agree. It's going to be a goal kick for Indonesia. Trying to get across his marker. Well, have come off the dot, the last touch. Hayes has it. It's his international debut, the draw against Saudi Arabia. His place again. 26, Martin Paes. MLS in 2022 from Utrecht. The Dutch contingent, he was born in
Idzes,
Nijmegen.
mantap, Idzes kelas.
Defensively, Netherlands up to under 21 level. Bedge with the throw for Australia. Sachin with Rizky Rido.
Aduh, ini pemain Australia apa sih jatuh-jatuh mulu.
In fact, it was. Bedge can take the throw. Kate Short to the box towards
Jadi,
cross.
mantap for dong.
An opening there.
Clear.
Just did enough to block off Chakati as he was about to pull the trigger. Between these two, but a foul by Chakati. Cap today for Australia. It's from Parma in Italy. He's actually born in Fidenza in Italy. He's cap for the Mazzarini, the under-20s.
Marcel, dapetin bolanya.
Went for the return. It's a free kick for Australia. It's Duke fouls. Seconds piece on the ball.
Kipernya.
Suter.
Pres kipernya.
Right to Burgess. To the defence today. Cameron Burgess. Moves on to double figures now for Caps, the Ipswich Town centre-back.
Marcel.
In this World Cup qualifying campaign. We've now got 0-0. Now that this team has ridden out that early storm, they're beginning to see more ball now, Australia. It says, to the way under pressure from Duke, Chakati's header. They're on by Burgess. An Australian throw. Chakati with it. The options for him, Iran could short. Just to go long instead to Jackson Irvine, who made the run. They're out by Itzes. With Silvera.
Strike.
It's a good turn by Strike. Back though by Chakati. Then given away.
Ya elah, umpan apa itu?
Indonesia charge forwards.
Sayang.
A little bit too much gusto though that time. Suter. Suter still reeling from that own goal winner for Bahrain on Thursday, but he was one of Australia's goal scorers in that 4-0 win against Indonesia in the Asian Cup in January. It's a good record actually, with 11 goals, 31 appearances from centre-back, 2 in this qualifying campaign. Palestine. Away by Rido. Australian throw. Bacchus. Silvera.
Mantap.
To come on the
Awesome.
inside.
Jati, di shoot.
Read it. Range effort is deflected behind off Jay Itzes for Australian corner. Jackson Irvine has certainly been lively in the centre for Australia. to a Bundesliga campaign with Zan Pauli, Jackson Irvine after promotion. Bundesliga 2 last season. 72 for a veteran of 2 World Cups and 2 Asian Cups. Goodwin with the corner, the first of the game for Australia.
Hati-hati. Aduh.
Goodness me, that could have gone anywhere from
Hati-hati
Verdonk.
Verdonk.
For the centre back, it was just behind for another corner. So it'd be as centre back in a back three or even left back. Calvin Verdonk. It's NEC Nijmegen in the Netherlands. Full start from the corner.
Ini tinggi banget nih orang Australia ini. Gila, yang nomor 19 tinggi banget guys.
Two centre backs. Contest in terms of height, but Suter particularly tall. Good to deliver.
Hati-hati.
Swinger again,
Mantap.
headed away by Walsh.
Ragnar.
Too much about it. It came off the back of his head. Is
Hati-hati. Mantap Verdonk. Aduh.
Nice ball. It's fallen for the shot. Blocked away by Hubner. Australia back in possession with Irvine. Puts the ball across again.
Martin Pas, kelas Martin Pas, gila. Ya ampun.
Looked as though it was going to be blocked initially. But the power on the shot took it through, and Martin Paes was there to make the save.
Hampir aja.
It's a real spell of concerted pressure from Australia. It was good work from Irvine and Harry Suter running onto it.
Hampir aja. Ini juga, kalau nggak diblok gila itu gol itu.
John tried to get himself in the way a bit, but
Duh, hati-hati. Jangan terlalu dalam.
he could do to deny Suter, but there was from Martin Paes.
Gak dijaga.
Irvine again. Jenner with the challenge, and another Australian corner. It's the best spell of the game so far for the visitors. Certainly their best chance. To Suter, who found a way through the two Indonesian defenders who were closing him down. Paes, who was busy in Saudi Arabia. Silvera.
Goal kick. Aduh, corner
Another
lagi.
corner. Indonesia can cap their early pressure with a goal. Can Australia? Their best moment in the first half so far. Graham Arnold will certainly be hoping so. It's coming again from Craig Goodwin, the in-swinger towards the penalty spot.
Hati.
Burgess both in there.
Banyak. Ih.
Header down is beaten
Ya
away by
ampun.
Paes. A chance again for Harry Suter.
Nomor 19 nih bahaya banget sih. Gak dijaga.
Over the place,
Ya.
the delivery from Goodwin. Suter was always going to get on the end of it. Had a good look at it as well. He was way above Jay Itzes. He's across to make the save. Goodwin again. Defending for Indonesia.
Mantap. Ragnar, ya kejauhan kontrolnya.
Going. Beaten to it though by Irakunda. Australia keep possession.
Gak bisa yuk.
In good form this year. This is their 12th game of 2024. They've won 8, lost 2 and drawn 1 of the previous 11. The defeat to Bahrain on Thursday ended a run of 4 straight wins without conceding a goal. So they've been pretty tight defensively as well. It's Verdonk. for Australia, home to China on the 10th of October, and then big trip to Saitama to face Japan. Bevic,
Nah, press aja udah.
Burgess,
Hati J, ayo J. Oh bisa J.
it's across.
Ih, kelas.
Pressure from Duke. It's Jenner. Jenner out to
Aduh.
Now strike. So back to Matt Ryan. Backus. Burgess to Irankunda, who's been really lively for Australia. He's playing all across the forward line. Suter.
Hati.
Just trying to switch the play. Verdon will be to see this out though.
Oke. Baru 0-0 ya. Masih seri. Masih
Coach of South Korea was Shin Tae-yong, 2017-2018. First South Korean to be manager of Indonesia. Arnold, by the way, set a record. He became the first manager in World Cup qualification history to win 11 straight games in a single campaign as Australia qualified for Qatar 2022. There's going to be a few more potholes in the road though. To Mexico, Canada, and the United States. With the throw.
Ragnar, kelas.
Turn by Oroman.
Ayo. Ya, aduh.
Strike was the intended target, but Aziz Beg was there to intercept.
Hati-hati.
Now here's Duke. Surrounded by white shirts. Waiting for support. It arrives now from
Hati crossing
Silvera.
di crossing.
Again, Backus ahead of him. So it's settled down now into the shape we expect to see. Australia having a lot of the ball. Really bright opening. Quarter of an hour from Indonesia. So they haven't conceded a goal in their away qualifying matches. It's Palestine, Lebanon, Bangladesh.
Jangan nyampe lah. Aduh, Marcel. Bahaya, tidak.
Turn, but lost the ball. Now Goodwin, Irankunda. Difficult one to try and keep the header down. There wasn't too much pace on the delivery either, so had to try and introduce some. Who's now on the books at Bayern Munich. To make his debut though, and feature for Bayern's second team this season. Tanzanian-born winger. His first international goal in the 5-0 win against Palestine in June.
Aduh, empatnya.
Silvera. Bought himself a bit of time and space. The 1-2 with Backus is Irvin. Bench. Just a Suter. So now that Australia do feel more in control of the contest is Bench. Went outside him. Not sure what he had in mind there as he's Bench.
Aduh.
It's given away by Isis.
Hati-hati.
Irvin.
Kelas Rizky Ridho.
Challenge on Goodwin by Rido.
It's a
This is football here for Garcia Jakarta. 22-year-old centre-back Rido. Asian Cup squad in January. Number 7 then for Australia. It's whipped into the centre. Touch off John. Swansea full back to head it behind. Relatively solid despite the fact Australia are having more of the ball now, just a couple of chances for Harry Souttar.
hati-hati.
Now the set
Aduh.
piece. It's been a skill the ball whipped in by Irvin. It's going to be a free kick, foul on Oran Mangoen.
Kartu bos.
So the ball clattered into by Craig Goodwin, the corner kick taken. Second international goal in that 1-1 draw against Saudi Arabia on Thursday. Didn't actually score his international debut, a 3-0 win from home in March. To Degner in Belgium. Six was formerly in the Netherlands with Groningen and go ahead.
Aduh, foul.
And there's just a nudge in the back as Sandy Walsh jumped for the ball. It was cute play, but not cute enough. Spotted by Salman Ahmad Falahi, the referee. Defending to do for Australia, who haven't had too much of late.
Bisa yuk.
Not to deliver.
Gol-golnya dari set piece aja nih. Wih,
Wasn't a bad delivery at all.
hampir.
Yeah, but Jay Inter
Jadi hampir.
just unable to stretch out the boot and get any kind of control on it. Teasing delivery.
Iya, hampir ya
Just
ampun.
too high. And a Hubner or Intis, who were the furthest forwards. Indonesia.
Marcel.
Flick into Duke. Well, he asked an awful lot there of Viren Kunda, who's quick, but he's not that quick. It's from Machida Zelvia in J1 in Japan. Side who won promotion last season from J2 and have taken the top flight by storm. Top for most of the campaign, but just knocked off the top before the break.
Aduh, hati-hati.
Fred J. Hiroshima is
Kelas J.
it's better from Australia. Duke almost in behind, but Indonesia did well to defend it. And here's Walsh.
Ragnar.
Roman Goen.
He's
overplayed it. Gives it away to Jackson Irvin.
Balik. Perdong.
He's going for goal there.
Anjing, hampir anjir.
So unlucky. Cleared away by Intis.
Anjir, hampir banget tadi coy.
Nestori Irakunda with within
Anjir.
centimetres of giving Australia the lead. Well, they didn't close him down, they almost invited him to shoot, and he took the invite. Very nearly punished Indonesia. It's the let-off of the half for either team so far.
Untung tadi masih kena tiang. Kalau enggak bahaya anjir.
Mervin. This is bench.
Sorry guys, keceplosan guys tadi. Tadi bener-bener hampir sih, hampir banget Australia gol. Untung aja nggak gol. Ayo press. Aduh. Kelas makin pas. Kelas.
Well, the feeling is that Australia are getting closer to taking the lead here. There was the marking on Craig Goodwin.
Kelas makin pas.
It was a move that was always going to end with a shot once he was in.
Ini hampir banget nih.
Close the angle, but he could do nothing about that one from Iran Kunda that rattled back off the post, and he was fortunate there actually, Martin Pais, that it didn't hit him and go back in over the line. How many times have we seen that happen?
Lihat apa? Lihat timnas. Lihat timnas guys.
Indonesia. Iran Kunda really unlucky. 10 minutes to half time, 0-0, but Australia very much in the ascendancy.
Aduh, hati-hati.
Ball in, Silvera, back into the mixer.
And
now a chance to counter here.
Strike
for Indonesia. Iran Kunda did well. Terrific chasing back from the
Aduh,
18.
sayang. HP masih panas ya? Ini panas nih. Ya aku sambil cas by the way ini tuh. Ya aku itu sambil cas, cuman
Irvin. Very different game now to the opening quarter of an hour. It's Burgess.
lawan siapa? Lawan Australia.
Suter. Sheffield United from Leicester City, Harry Suter. He's playing for Stoke and Dundee United in Scotland. He's actually born in Scotland and represented there at under 19s before he switched to Australia. Foot in, but kick given. Sandro Chakata. Serie B last season with Parma helping them back into Serie A, the top flight of Italian football. Chakata.
Hati-hati.
Set piece for Australia. They've had a succession of them.
Hati-hati. Mantap.
Great deal to do since then. Just gets it away. Australian throw. Sea of red and white. You can just see a handful of those. The golden green of Australia on the far side. It's Burgess. Behich. Suter. There's no real pressing here from Indonesia. Happy for Australia to have the ball. Indonesia preferring to get an can defend deep. Australia on the counter. Attempting to serve them well. General Thursday. Across with a challenge on Goodwin. He was the player expected to start in behind Mitch Duke in the forward line, but he is on the left again. Is there a
Itu semua backgroundnya ya iyalah, kan nggak mungkin yang dari sana kayak gitu. Hati-hati, mantap. Ih, counter Ragnar, Orat Mangun.
Silvera for an Indonesian throw. Coach who knows his way
Rizky
to
Ridho,
success.
Ridho, aduh.
Songnam, who won Chunma to the Asian Champions League win 14 years ago now in 2010. Competition he won as a player himself and his former guise as the Asian Club Championship back in 1995. I think for Rafael Struijk. He plays for Den Haag. He's lucky actually. It's only a talking to. I mean, that was a blatant pull on the shirt. It's for Donk. Joel wins it back. He battles for it.
Ragnar, strike.
Come away with it. Struijk has it.
Ay.
The runner wanted to play forward. Instead, it's now with Mitch Duke for Australia.
Kelas C.
So it's got back and made it difficult for him though.
Ya, build up lagi dari belakang.
Sandy Walsh. Jenner. By Martin Pace. Switch now in possession. It was the other way around in the opening 10 or 15 minutes. Australia have been in full control now for the last 25 minutes plus. A couple of chances for Harry Souttar, the big one for Nestri Irankunda that clattered back off the post. To look back on apart from that opening minute with
Aduh, bos. Umpanmu.
Irvin. Behic. Souttar to Bacchus.
Press, Jenner.
The foot in.
Marcel.
Possession though with Behic. And immediately under pressure from Rizky Ridho. Souttar.
Guys, Ragnar.
The fans will have to wait until the 15th of November for their next home qualifier when Indonesia entertain Japan. Bahrain and China to come next. It's Behic. Irvin. On top, but it's been.
Wah, tapi rumputnya GBK jelek sih guys. Ini bolanya aja mantul-mantul mulu ini. Wih, kelas. Ayo. Handle. Nah, kau kena kartu kuning gak tuh? Wih, Sandy Walsh dapat.
Indonesia have it in a decent position.
Aduh,
Disappointing delivery
Yenor.
from Jenner. A bit more composure. Couldn't take advantage though. One back by Nathan Joao. Stayed down.
Hooknya cedera.
It's his fifth appearance of this World Cup qualifying campaign, Hubner. It's actually owned by Wolves, currently on loan with Cerezo Osaka in J1 in Japan.
Hooknya cedera, bahaya nih.
Seems to be the problem for Justin Hubner. Busy debut, and he's been busy again. It's in pace. There's the save from Harry Suter. Block. From the header as well. There's also a save from Craig Goodwin. One time he was beaten, he was saved. His left post.
Udah 45 menit aja guys. 2 menit tambahan waktu. Yuk bisa yuk. At least draw dulu half time.
Double save. Australia rocking a bit, of course, confidence
Nanti
taking ahead after that. Defeat to
babak kedua
Bahrain.
Tom Haye kalau fit bisa main.
Themselves back together now.
Jadi
Australia
biar nggak
very
kecapean
much
Tom
controlling
Haye.
the tempo of the contest. Settled into what many thought it would be ahead of kick-off, with Australia sitting and inviting Australia onto them.
Indonesia menang nggak? Semoga, amin.
It's the second part though that Indonesia have been struggling with. They
Jauh.
were better when they were on the front foot in the opening.
Sandy.
Again now Walsh
Aduh.
for Oroman going.
Dapat lagi bolanya. Santai Rido.
Rido.
Aduh, Rido.
Poor ball to Walsh. Always the problem for Indonesia. One or too many passes going astray in the second part of this first half. Probably going to be the busier coach at half time. Shin Tae-yong. Side, most of his plan in place, they just need those finishing touches. Hayes gets it away. From Suter. From Rido. Or by Chakati. Helped out by Bacchus.
Fluid.
Years before the pressure came from Oroman going, it was a half-hearted single-man press though, really. Gets it away.